Hello friends, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Sprinkle a little bait to trap the fish.
A few moments later.
Oh no!
Continue fishing. This fish has a problem. Fresh fish. Okay, let's go home now. First, we remove the fish scales. Cut off the tail of the fish. Fish body. Okay, done. Now we will marinate the fish. First is turmeric powder. Add salt. A little sugar. Prepare the ingredients for the dish. Chop the potatoes. Chop the carrots. Finally, mince the garlic. After preparing the ingredients, we will cook the dish. Pour oil into the pan. Garlic to the pan. Continue to add potatoes and carrots. Stir and flip. Add turmeric powder. Whipping cream. Finally, add coconut. Mix, mix, mix. Done. Now we will pour the cooked ingredients onto the fish. The sound of frying fat is very soothing. Rice is an indispensable part of a meal, so now we will cook rice. Pour rice into the pot. Add water. Water. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir, stir, and flip. Very tasty. Have another piece.
Here is your order.
Thank you. Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Cabbage. Oops. Waiting for a few minutes. Water. Carrot. Spring onion. Flour. Egg. Black pepper. Sugar. Let's fry it. Cooking oil. We fry until golden on both sides. Take it out. Next, we will make the sauce. Ketchup. Soy. Corn syrup. Oyster. Mix it until smooth. Let's taste it.
Yummy.
Let's drink milk for dessert. Milk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you. It's snacks time here. There's something in here.
Huh?
What's this doing in here? Dare me to press it. What's going on?
Huh?
Where am I? Is this a mini kitchen? I will open each pot in turn. Woohoo! It's a roulette wheel. Bread. Chicken. I have some ideas for this. Chicken sticks. Donuts Cheetos. Fried chicken. Burger Cheetos. I will cook them all. First is the chicken thighs. Take the chicken thighs out of the refrigerator. Season it with salt and black pepper. Apply seasoning to the chicken evenly. The next dish is fried chicken donuts. Cut chicken into small pieces. chop the sliced chicken. Marinate with 3 ingredients. Black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Mix them well. Next, we will give it a donut shape. We will use Cheetos to create red color. Crush the Cheetos.
Huh?
Oh my god, my hammer. Oh no! I'm so sorry, Kitty. Pour the Cheetos onto the tray. Pour the flour into another tray. Finally, crack the eggs into the remaining tray and we will have 3 layers to fry the chicken. Roll the chicken donuts, chicken thighs, and chicken meat in turn. Flour, egg, and Cheetos. Now let's fry it. Heat a pan with cooking oil. We will fry the chicken thighs first. Then the remaining chicken parts. The last dish is the Cheetos chicken burger. Brush the egg yolk around the cake dough. Bake for 30 minutes. Lettuce is the first layer. Then there's the fried chicken Cheetos. Add onions and a piece of cheese. Finally, add tomatoes and we have finished the burger. It looks so delicious. Wow! Try donut Cheetos first.
Yummy.